Yeah! Okay.
Go get him, Xavier! There you go!
Vaunted Falcons defense takes the field for the first time today.
Yeah, boy!
Fogey and Corso right through the line. That's going to be a loss of 2 for Linden.
No one else has.
The fumble snap there for Linden.
All right, Chase. Yeah, Chase.
Way to go.
Falcons got great penetration on that one.
Yeah, Chase. There we go. My boy.
Tackle. Not sure if it's a fumble or not, but either way, it's Falcons ball. Falcons.
Yeah, boy. Beast mode.
Here.
Good play call, baby.
Touchdown!
There we go.
Inside handoff.
Get him down, get him down.
To go on at the half.
Go, Jay! Yeah, Jay!
Yeah,
Chase
Chase.
Fogey with the sack. Big play out of Fogey. Loss of 4 for the Tigers.
Side, Jay!
Ball's loose. Ball loose in the play. Let's see what who's got it. Linden.
Oh! Yeah, boy.
Stop for a loss. Number 20, the ball carrier. Abzar. Fogey gets in unblocked with the pressure. Once again, Chase Fogey coming off that right side of the line. That'll be your defensive play of the half. That's brought to you by Pure Leaf Photography. Jessica Lee. Touchdown! Ralphie Ventry once again, last play of the half, with the long touchdown run, extends the lead to 13-0 Falcons.
Yes.
Conversion's good. Bogey.
All right.
13-0 Falcons.
Beast mode.
That's the half.